Good evening. Good evening all. Okay. So in last session, okay. So in last session we had discussed about how to launch the browsers in Selenium. So by using the Selenium tool, how to launch the browsers, and also we had discussed with few methods. So methods like the get methods to get the URL of the particular web pages, and also we had discussed with the methods like get title to get the title of the web page, and also the current URL of the web pages. So these are all the basic methods which are discussed in the last sessions. Okay. So in today's session we can go to discuss about the topics named as locators. So today we can going to discuss about locators. So before enter into the topic, we need to discuss how to identify the locators. Okay, so before enter into the topic locator, we need to discuss how to identify the locators and where the locators are available. Okay, so right now, okay, so here so already discussed locators. So what are the locators which are available? ID, name, class name, XPath, tag name, link test, partial link test, and CSS selector. Okay, so these are all the locators which are available. Okay, so at first in today we can going to discuss about these locators which are ID, name, and name and XPath. Okay. So to identify the locator, we are going to use the method which is named as the find element. So to identify the locator, we can going to use the method which is named as find element. So find element is the method to identify the locator. Method to identify the locators. So in order to identify the locator, we can go for the method which is named as the find element. Okay, so the find element is the method which is present under the WebDriver interface. So it is present under the WebDriver interface. It is present under the WebDriver interface. Okay, so find element is the method which is present under the WebDriver interface. So this method is used to identify the identify the locators. Okay, so other than that we can use the method under the WebDriver interface. We had another method which is named as by. Okay, which is named as by. So by is the abstract class. So by is the abstract class because the web interface contains only the abstract class. So I think we are all known about the abstraction and the interface. Abstraction concept, which is nothing but the partial abstraction and the fully abstraction. So fully abstraction is nothing but the interface concept. Okay, so in interface, once we created the method in the interface class, it will be created as the abstract method. It cannot be created as non-abstract method. So by is the abstract method. So by is the abstract method which is present under the WebDriver interface. So by is the abstract method which is present under the WebDriver interface. Okay, next one. So next method will be the web element. So web element is the method. Web element is the interface. Okay, so like while the WebDriver is the interface, likewise the web element is also the interface. So web element is used to under the web element we get the method which is named as send keys. Under the web element we get method which is named as send keys. The send keys methods are used to pass the values or insert the text to the text box. It is used to insert the text to the text box. So we contain the text box, and within the text box we need to insert the values. So in order to insert likewise consider the username text box. So in the username text box we need to enter the username. The usernames are passed through the method which is named as SendKeys, which are present under the web element interface. So how to call this web element interface? Once we take the return type of the web driver find element method, we can automatically get the web element interfaces. Okay, these are the methods which are used in the locator. So find element is the method which is present under the web element web driver. It is used to identify the locators. And the second one will be the by is the abstract method which is present under the web driver interface. So next one will be the SendKeys. SendKeys is the method which is used to insert the text to the text boxes. So within the text box we need to enter the username. So Selenium is the automation testing. So we need to enter the username in our coding itself. Okay, it will be automatically get enter into the username. So for that we can use the method which is named as the SendKeys. Okay. So next one. So just consider the login page of the Facebook web application. We have the username box, we have the password box, and also we have the login button. So we need to click the login button. Okay, so likewise we need to click the login button. Instead of that, so in order to click the login button, we have the method which is named as click. Click is the method which is present under the it is used to click the so click is the method which is present under the web driver interface. Okay, so click here. Click is the method which is present under the web driver interface. It is present under the web driver interface. So under the web driver interface we get the method which is named as the click. So next one, so by using the click method, the click method is used to click the login button. So like so for that we can go for this click method which is present under this web driver interface. Okay, so how to take the exports, so where the locators are available. So now we are supposed to discuss about how to take this export and how to identify the locators and where the locators are available. Okay, wait now, check here. Okay, just enter into the option.